Hey everybody, I'm back again. I'm going to show you another video doing the dual injection trick there with the tin foil. I'm going to use two different colors this time, and hopefully it'll show up better. Then you guys can see the actual lines that it builds together. Alright, let's do this. Here we go. Now, we got another batch cooking. Right here. Just getting it started. Now I went with a couple of different colors this time, so hopefully we can see how well it blended together. I'm hoping. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll stretch it out a little bit, show you how the darker side and then the orange side is on there. I thought they might have been able to show a bit better, but now I'll show you guys what you need to do. So hopefully you just slide these guys back into their place. Like that. Like I said, this is the only thing about it. You have to be careful. And the close her up again. Hopefully this color works out a bit better so you guys can see it. Let's see what we got. Getting in there good. Make sure even pressure. Yeah, I can feel it getting full. Just top up. It's hard to see. I'll stretch it out. I don't know if maybe the light shows the line right there. Like that's, hopefully you can see that. Well, hopefully everybody enjoyed my video. Please hit that subscribe button and thumbs up. See you later, guys.